A bit of a different one today. Probably not be able to hear a bloody word I'm saying because it's as windy as hell and it's actually currently raining. But a pal has given me a loan of this, I think it's Powercraft air compressor. So I can do some wire brushing of my CB100N frame. But there appears to be a problem somewhere. I don't know if it's in here or not, or it's one of these bits. Air's coming out, so I ordered from eBay a new manifold. And I was planning on changing it over, but there's a little bit of sunshine coming out now. But it's currently pretty bloody miserable, apart from this brief bit of sunshine. So I'm going to have a look. I think I need to, again, I'm not an expert, don't know anything about compressors at all really. I think I need to undo this to be able to remove this manifold, and then I would imagine I'd take this off and replace it. There is a new one in with the kit, but if I don't have to change that because of this wiring, it's unusual. The insulators for the live and neutral on the plug appear to have disappeared. So I'm going to get a spanner and see if I can take this off and see what it looks like. This is the kit that arrived today. There's my CB100N Speedo on the table. So you get a new manifold. I think if I'm being critical, it does feel pretty cheap. I mean, it looks okay, but it doesn't exude quality. Very, very lightweight. There's obviously other, oh, that'll be the gauges, 2 gauges. And then this will be the bit that I'll maybe not swap over at this point in time. See if we can do this. Yeah, that's obviously the bit that goes on top of the manifold there. But because that's all wired in, I'll probably just take that off. So yeah, so that's the new bits. These bits were £11.59 delivered and basically took 1 day to arrive. So I'll take the stuff off the compressor and I'll see how easy it is to keep the existing one that's terminated and connected in place. It's a bloody cold day again here today. So I've taken the cover off. You've got a Phillips screw in there, which screws into this thing here, and it just slides off. So I've got obviously an earth, a live and a neutral on this side. And it looks like the same thing again. Earth, a live and a neutral, because you can't see it for that bloody handle, on this side. So it's blue at the top, brown at the bottom, earth at the front. It does look kind of furred up in there, so I'll get this off. I found out where all the air was escaping from, is, as you can see, that's not a fresh break. It's obviously been like that for quite some time. So the question is, am I going to be able to get this tapped out? Good question. Just spent the past 10 or 15 minutes chiseling out the remnants of the thread that was in there. I think the thread seems to be still fairly okay. I'll see if I can screw in the replacement part just to check the thread's okay. It's now actually starting to snow here, so that's a bonus. Well, it's continuing to snow, which is really handy. But so I've got that threaded in. I've not used any glue, which I believe is meant to be the preferred way to do this. So now that that's threaded in, I've turned it at 45 degrees. Hi Scott! Bit of a chat with one of the pals as he came round. So I've relocated these particular attachments. I refitted the safety outlet. I've still got to put on the new gauges, and I need to reattach this hose. So I think that should be a fairly straightforward task. Well, that's everything installed now. I'll just need to fire it up and see if it holds pressure. Looks like there's enough oil in there. Probably could do with getting the oil changed. And let's have a look at the air filter. You need 2 hands for this. There we go. Actually, the air filter looks pretty much as new. So that's good enough for me. I'll put that back on and I'll see if the thing starts up fine. It's fired up. I've no idea what pressure it's meant to stop at, but I'll soon find out. The thing got up to pressure and it cut off, but I can definitely hear that there's air escaping from this union. So you definitely need to get that glue in there. So I'll need to get some glue and reseal that.